Streamline design and buying processes of your bespoke products with Spyrosoft's EasyCAD app. Created for any industry using 2D CAD, EasyCAD allows low and medium tech users to quickly create a design and convert it into a complete order within convenient web environment. The user creates a custom design based on your product range, and the system takes into account all the technical possibilities of your shop or production line. EasyCAD enables users to draw designs for various types of flat surfaces and to place products such as fittings or moldings on them, all by selecting and placing items from your product portfolio. It is ideal for personalizing cabinets, designing glazing installations, and other products that can be customized with a CNC machine. Once the user is done with their design, they can convert it to a ready order with your product numbers or generate a DXF file ready to be sent to your CNC machine, both with just one click and zero expert knowledge. The app provides a straightforward design process that allows visualizations and plans to be created easily. The editing space in the EasyCAD app offers users extensive customization options for their designs. It enables exact matching of dimensions, allowing for a perfect reproduction of the actual parameters. The application also lets users add products such as fittings from your inventory, which allows for the comprehensive creation of projects adapted to the needs of each client. One of the key elements of EasyCAD is the built-in control mechanism that monitors the design of the solution to prevent technical errors and ensures it fits any given requirement, such as industry standards, product safety regulations, or technical specification and setup of your production line. There will be no misalignment between the user's project and production. With minor issues, the app can leave a choice to the user, but it won't allow moving on with critical errors. Thanks to that, the user has confidence that their solution complies with divergent requirements and the final product will work as intended. Once the design is ready, EasyCAD converts it to professional quotations, orders, and documentation in PDF format. This solution allows the user to easily place an order or share projects with clients or colleagues in the form of clear, aesthetically pleasing files. What's more, the application also allows finished designs to be exported to DXF format, which is particularly useful in the context of production on CNC machines. These features make EasyCAD a versatile tool that supports the entire design process from concept to finalization and further to order. Given the experience of the Spyrosoft team in manufacturing software of this type, we can prepare an application to your spec in under 12 months. Every implementation is based on a detailed analysis of your requirements and the specific industry you operate in and reflects any changes in functionality you need to fully meet users' expectations. EasyCAD is ideal for any industry using 2D CAD and CNC machines, especially for glazing, furniture and woodworking, PV panel installations, tile manufacturing, aluminium machining, car wrapping, carpeting, etc. EasyCAD opens the design and bespoke production industries to new low and medium tech customer segments. It also creates an extremely convenient sales channel for your products with an unmatched UX. Contact our Digital Solutions Director to explore EasyCAD in your industry.